Hi, I'm Tristan Kibble from Precision Turbo. Today we're going to talk about some direct drop-in units. So these are going to be Focus RS, the Mustang EcoBoost, and of course the Subaru drop-in replacement turbochargers. So these units are designed as a direct drop-in, meaning you unbolt your factory turbo, bolt our unit in, connect it up with either the installation kit or accessory pack, and you're ready to go. Obviously, to get the optimal performance, we do suggest that you get a tune, and of course, supporting mods like downpipes, intercoolers, always help as well to get that extra edge and the most horsepower you can out of your new turbo. So today, we're going to open up this new EcoBoost turbo for the Mustang and take a look at it. I personally haven't seen one in person yet, so it'll be something to check out. All of these turbos, as I said, are designed as a direct drop-in unit. The EcoBoost Mustang and the RS will actually come with this accessory, installation kit in the box. And of course on the Subaru, we do sell a separate installation kit that allows you to hook everything up to your factory lines, so it's a drop-in installation. The turbos themselves on all three models are going to have a stainless steel housing on them. And of course, all three turbos are going to be internally wastegated and come with the actuator. Direct bolt-on, oil lines, coolant lines, everything hooks up like factory, allows you to make that extra horsepower. So speaking of horsepower numbers, let's talk about where they're rated at. The Focus 600, the Mustang turbo is rated at 520 horsepower, and of course that Subaru turbo comes in at a 525. So all of these units have the ability to greatly increase the horsepower rating over the factory unit as long as you have the supporting mods. And like I said previously, one of the biggest things is going to be to get your car retuned. If you'd like to pick up a new turbo for your Mustang, Focus, or Subaru, you can always give us a call here at Precision at 855-996-7832, or reach out to any one of your favorite dealers or distributors and get pricing.